So welcome back aliens, this is Navin Reddy from Telescope Learnings, and as you know I'm starting with the online batch. So it was supposed to be start from 5th September, which is today, but due to certain external factors I'm starting this batch from 7th or no, from 8th September. Okay, so today is 5, the batch is postponed for 3 days. Now it is starting from 8th September. Now, certain announcement. The first one, it was supposed to be one batch, okay, a morning batch or evening batch, but now due to lots of requests, I'm starting two batches, both 7th, in the morning batch and the evening batch. So the morning batch is 7 a.m. IST, Indian Standard Time. So it will be 1.5 hour. The evening batch is from 10 p.m. IST, again 1.5 hour batch. So again, there are certain seats left because we have two batches now. Initially, it was only one batch. So if you want to register, you can register now. Again, due to lots of requests, we are offering a special discount for students only, double quotes students. It is 40% off. Okay. Again, for more information, if you want to know the fees and the discount for you, mail me on the ID mentioned in the description area. So it is Navin Reddy 20. And for the course content, you can just go to the provided link below, and that's it. So course starting from 8th September, it will be around 1 month course. Okay, so I will teach you the core Java concepts. Now how much you will be covering? So we'll be covering all the core Java parts, starting from OOPS concept. Then we'll talk about oh, my hand is paining now. So starting from OOPS concept, then we'll talk about exception handling, threads. Now, I'm focusing on this course for people who want to go for, to learn advanced programming like Servlet, JSP for website development. If they want to go for Android development, again, this course is important. And if you want to go for big data concept like Hadoop, this course is important. Okay, so decide and mail me mail me the request if you have any queries. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and do subscribe.